Welcome back for a little recap today. Starting on crude oil, looking at that big macro view at 83.53 area was an important price for me. Doesn't seem like they're ready to break that 83 level, and we've been holding in there today, but did have some good price action. Setting up the opportunities on our short-term chart here at 83.48, key price level this morning. As long as I was below there, was looking for the downside target. Lost some of that steam. Came back up, gave us a good long opportunity off that key price level to see the upside target. Ended up with that little micro double top, pushing back short, setting up a good short opportunity back to the key. Had a little more strength coming down, so that set up another good short all the way back to the first downside target. Stalled out, set up a nice long back to that key, and since then we've fallen and juiced to a little tighter range. Not ready to break out of that 83 short or moving it back long yet. Taking a look tomorrow, may stay in this consolidation range. I'm just going to pay attention. If it's still, we get these lower highs, may see that break and stay below that 83, and I'm going to start looking for movements back short. If we stay in that range, I'm going to just monitor into the upside back towards that 83.53 area. Let's take a look at the ES today. Big picture. 93.25, but was really paying attention to that 08.25. Could never get back above it, never had any strength, and stayed in a bit of a range today also. But that did set up some opportunities off our key price level of 94.25. As long as we stay below there, was looking for the downside target at 66. Lost that momentum, set up a nice little head and shoulders, setting up a good long off of 66 to see that upside target again at 94. So some really good range of movement off those SRs. Taking a look at the NQ this morning, or today, excuse me. Big macro view. If I could stay below there, was looking for some downside opportunities. We clearly got them today, stalled out, moved all the way right back to that same price. So that set up key price level this morning at 898. Long as I was below there, looking for the first downside target, lost some of that steam, came back to that upside target, setting up a good long. Made an attempt to break above, but clearly with some strength near that opening, moving back short off that key price level. Shorts off of 898 with that strength. Shorts off of 864. Hit our second downside target, ended up getting a good pullback. Setting up a good short stair step in the market off of 824 to get to our third. Had a lot of downside strength. Actually saw our fourth target stalled out. Started moving back up, giving some good long opportunities back to that third target and then up to the second. Had some weaker movements back short, but did set up another long opportunity to see that first and the third, the second, and then holding back to that key price level. That little double top gave us another good short opportunity back to the first downside target. So some really good long and short opportunities on the NQ, minimizing the risk and maximizing the rewards off those SRs.